You're about to see one of the craziest clips we've ever received from a Tesla owner. Guy says he honked to warn them, but it was too late. When Patrick watched the video, he couldn't believe his eyes. Neither can we. The built-in cameras of every Tesla are always watching, and you won't believe the things they see. Our channel is fueled by Tesla owners who send us their crazy videos, and we compile the most insane ones into a new episode every week. If you thought that video was crazy, we're just getting started. He hit the juice pedal, peeling out even as he heard gunshots going off behind him. The pickup driver then turned on his off-road light bar, which was illegally pointed backward. I don't think we need to explain how dangerous this was. The trend of Hondas crashing into Teslas is sweeping around the world right now, striking fear in the hearts of all Tesla owners. The road glare was so bad, drivers continued rear-ending each other, eventually culminating in a 28-car pileup that got national news coverage. Wham bam, let's jump over to the helicam. When motorists notice the suspect is heading straight at them in the wrong direction, chaos ensues as everyone tries to avoid the fleeing criminal. Thanks to the video, it ended up being an open and shut court case. The police were very thankful for the Teslacam footage and told Jeff they couldn't have asked for better evidence. Moments later, the whole car was engulfed in flames. You've got to be an idiot to leave the scene of an accident with a Tesla involved. They've already placed an order for a new Tesla since Nico's wife is fully confident that the Tesla saved her life by taking control after the crash. Don't forget to subscribe. We're already working on next week's episode, and it's going to be incredible, so don't miss it. We hope you're satisfied.